How is it going everybody, Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. Well, just before the release of One UI 7, Samsung has introduced the brand new Goodlock 2025 that brings in some amazing new features, and they have completely revamped the UI as well. So in this video, we'll check out all the new exciting Goodlock features and UI changes that every Samsung user needs to know about. I'll also show you how you can install the latest version on your Galaxy device right now. So stay tuned and watch this video until the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1500 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Before we proceed any further, I would like to talk about a really useful software which I think might be useful for most smartphone users. Dr.Fone by Wondershare is a complete set of solutions for your Android or iOS devices. Whether you want to unlock your phone screen, if you have forgotten your password, or you want to transfer data including WhatsApp chats from iOS to Android or Android to iOS, got a new smartphone this year, you know switching phones can be a total headache. All those chats, photos, videos, or any of your important data, now you don't have to worry about losing them. Dr.Fone is here to transfer all your data seamlessly without any hassle. Not only that, it also has so many useful tools like data recovery, screen unlock, password manager, and many more. So I will highly recommend you to go ahead and install this amazing software on your PC. Be sure to check this one out. You will find a direct link in the description below. Alright guys, this is the updated version of Goodlock which is expected to be launched globally after the release of One UI 7, but I was able to sideload the APK file, and if I just go into the app info, here you can see the version number is 3.0.10.1. So this is the latest Goodlock version which is available for One UI 7, and the first change you will notice is when you open the application, we get this bouncy little animation which I think looks really cool. Apart from this, we also have a new banner at the top which says Grand Opening for One UI 7, and they have also added this nice little animation here. Usually during every year with the release of latest One UI version, we get a major update for the Goodlock application as well. So this is the all new Goodlock app for the latest One UI 7, and as you can see there are a lot of visual changes they have made this year. First things first, here we have three different sections at the bottom. One is Terrace, Plugins, and You. Previously on the older version, we had Terrace, Life Up, and Makeup, but now it has been changed and called Terrace, Plugins, and You. If you click on the Terrace tab, you will see all the information, new features, tips, tricks, and all the latest news related to the Goodlock app. Next, if you move to the plugins section, here we have the entire list of all the plugins available inside this application. If you notice here on the top, we have got different set of tags or keywords such as clock, extensions, home screen, keyboard, lock screen, multi-window, notifications, and more. These are some of the useful tags they have added, and it will definitely help you to quickly search for any particular module using a specific keyword. For example, if I click on keyboard, I get two modules that are specifically made for keyboard customization. Similarly, if I tap on multi-window, I get one-hand operations and multi-star. So this is how we search modules in the latest version, and these tags will surely help you save a lot of your time. One more thing that I wanted to show you is that all the modules which needs to be updated will appear at the top. So you don't have to look for the updates individually, and below you will have all other modules. Next, if I click on this You tab, here you can add some of your favorite modules for quicker access. All you have to do is just tap on this edit button, and now you can add your favorite modules and keep them at one place. So instead of going into the plugins section and looking for a particular module, you can simply add your favorite plugins which you use quite often and access them from one place. Not only this, it also shows all the modules that are currently active on your phone. So in case if you're using any of the Goodlock module to customize your phone, it will appear right here in the You section, and from here you can easily go inside the module or completely disable it if you want to. As you can see, right now I have activated a couple of modules on my phone, so it is showing here, and if I want, I can turn off any of these modules directly without going into the plugins section. Finally, they have also added some beautiful wallpapers and widgets inside the Goodlock app. All you have to do is just tap on this icon at the top right, and here we have got two new widgets and a bunch of beautiful looking wallpapers as well. All these wallpapers are inspired by the Goodlock theme, and if you want, you can apply it directly to your home screen as well as the lock screen. These are some high resolution wallpapers and they actually look really good on your phone. Apart from this, we also have two brand new widgets. The first one is a shortcut which shows all the installed Goodlock modules at once. and you can add it to your home screen to quickly launch your favorite plugins. Once done, I can just tap on this widget and it instantly opens a pop-up menu showing all the Goodlock modules. So I don't have to open the Goodlock app every time. Then there is another widget called Cassette, and this lets you add 4 of your favorite Goodlock modules which you can directly access from your home screen. This one actually changes the color depending on the module which you are currently using. So once you apply the widget, simply tap and now you can add 4 of your favorite Goodlock modules. Then finally click on Save. Every time when you open any module, it will change the color and the icons will move accordingly. This is kind of an interactive widget which you can apply directly to your home screen. So these are all the new features and visual changes they have made with this latest version, and if you want to install it on your phone, you need to download the APK file which you can find in the description below and update the Goodlock app on your phone. Soon we will be getting more and more features in different modules, so stay tuned for that. With that said, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I am Mr. Android and I will see you guys in the next one.